Hey guys, today we're going to be installing the rear bumper covers on this new body 2023 Tundra. So it's a really quick, easy install, so I'm just going to give you a couple tips and pointers to make it even easier. But we'll have this, this gross brushed metal, whatever this is, fake chrome covered in no time. You're going to need the following tools: a 10mm socket or ratcheting wrench, some plastic trim tools, a flathead screwdriver, some isopropyl alcohol, and a clean cloth. Begin by cleaning the surface of the bumper with isopropyl alcohol. Next, use your 10mm wrench to unscrew the bolt attached to the bumper. Use your flathead screwdriver or trim tool to release the plastic fastener. Make sure to keep these close, we'll be reinstalling them later. Separate the black plastic from its inset fitting on the bumper. Now that the bumper is prepped, we're going to do our dry fit. Remember, during this step, you do not remove the backing to the 3M tape. Use a trim tool or an old credit card to lift the step pad to allow the part to slide under. Carefully slide the top edge of your bumper cover underneath the step pad. Align your bumper cover until you're satisfied with its fitment. If you do see any chrome peeking through that you can't get rid of, you may want to use some black vinyl or blackout tape to cover it up. After you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can begin applying the adhesion promoter to all the areas that the 3M tape will be touching down on. Peel back the first inch of the bottom and side pieces of 3M tape and tape it to the front surface to remove later. You may fully remove the backing on all other pieces of tape. Again, use your trim tool to slip the top edge of the shell underneath the step pad. After you're satisfied with the position of your shell, apply pressure to all of the areas of exposed 3M tape. Peel back your red pull tabs and apply pressure in those areas as well. Pop the black plastic trim back into place. Reattach the bolt and clip you removed earlier. Now you can repeat these steps on the other side of your truck. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully that made your install a little bit easier. If you have any questions about the install or any of the other products that we have, go ahead and give us a call at the number listed in the description, and we'll see you next time.